Welcome back, my fellow ambitious souls. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that can transform your life. How to get ahead of the game using AI. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get exciting. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an ever-evolving field brimming with potential and opportunities. It's not just about robots and sci-fi movies, it's about leveraging technology to enhance our lives and careers in unprecedented ways. But first, let's start by debunking some common myths about AI. Most people have a vision, right? But what if I told you that having an anti-vision is equally crucial? Let's try to unscramble this concept. Picture yourself in a sea of people, all heading in the same direction, all following the same well-trodden path. But instead of going with the flow, you choose to make a sharp left. That's it, you've just embraced your anti-vision. This isn't about being contrarian for the sake of it, it's about challenging the status quo, questioning the norms that hold us back, and daring to carve out a path that's uniquely yours. It's about being willing to zig when others zag, to swim upstream when everyone else is floating downstream. Because remember, it's the salmon that swims against the current that ends up spawning new life. That's your anti-vision. It's about going against the grain, questioning norms, and forging your unique path. Ever heard of the art of disappearing? No, I'm not talking about magic tricks, I mean strategically vanishing from the noise. It's the audacious act of stepping away from the clamor of everyday life, the relentless chatter of social media, the endless stream of emails, and the constant pull of distractions. Now imagine instead immersing yourself in a world of knowledge, a space where your only focus is learning. Imagine powering down your social media apps, unsubscribing from all those newsletters that clutter your inbox, and cutting off those distractions that steal your precious time. What would you do with all that reclaimed time? You'd dive deep into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, exploring the intricacies of algorithms, the beauty of data patterns, and the potential of machine learning. You'd read voraciously, absorbing knowledge and honing your skills. And then, after 6 to 12 months of this focused learning, you'd re-emerge, transformed, like a phoenix rising from its ashes. You would emerge from your self-imposed cocoon equipped with a powerful skill set, ready to take on the world. Dive into AI courses, read voraciously, and emerge like a phoenix from your self-imposed cocoon. Ah, the unsexy stuff, but guess what? The fundamentals are where the magic happens. Now you might be thinking, but Dan, I want to dive straight into the cool AI stuff. And trust me, I understand your enthusiasm. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. First, we've got Python. Why Python, you ask? Well, it's the go-to language for AI development. It's user-friendly, versatile, and packed with libraries specifically designed for AI. Next up, we've got statistics. Without a solid understanding of statistics, AI is just a black box. You need to know what's happening inside that box to fully leverage its power. Finally, we have the basics of machine learning. This is where you'll start to see the real magic. Machine learning algorithms are the heart of AI. They enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. These are your secret weapons. They're not flashy, but they'll elevate you above the crowd. Patience, young grasshopper. Now I know what you're thinking. When will all this effort pay off? When will you start to see the fruits of your labor? And I'm here to tell you that the journey to mastering AI is not a sprint, it's a marathon. You see, learning and applying AI concepts is a continuous process. It's not about rushing to the finish line, but rather about embracing each step along the way. It's about immersing yourself in the world of AI, experimenting with new ideas, and learning from your mistakes. So, keep going, keep exploring, keep pushing your boundaries. And remember, every bit of effort you put in, every hour you spend learning, every mistake you make and learn from brings you one step closer to your goal, and then one day, you'll wake up and boom. You're not just keeping up with the AI game, you're ahead of the curve. So, my fellow AI enthusiasts, remember, an anti-vision is about carving your unique path. Embrace the art of disappearing by eliminating distractions and diving deep into AI. Don't underestimate the boring fundamentals: Python, statistics, and machine learning. They are your secret weapons. And finally, patience. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Trust the process, and you'll eventually find yourself ahead of the curve. Until next time, keep coding, keep dreaming, and keep getting ahead.